Welcome back to my channel. How you all doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So for today's video, I'm going to be styling a waistcoat. Some of us call it a vest, so whichever one you prefer, just have at the back of your mind that today I am styling a waistcoat or a vest. All right. But before we jump right into today's video, if today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on your notification post so as to get notified whenever I have a new video. On this channel, we are all about looking good is not equal to breaking the bank. Before I jump into the styling of the waistcoats vest that I'm about to present today, I want to run this quickly by you all. Some of you that have been on my channel for a while, I don't know if you remember, there was a time I featured this particular brand on my channel, AMSORD. They're into food seasoning, candles, air freshener. I meant to say, pardon me, air freshener. Those are the things I think I've featured about them on my channel before, but recently they moved ahead and they are now into oil treatments for our hair. For some of us that we've lost our hair according to maybe hereditary or because of your age. Mine is hereditary. I'm never one of those people that have or had long hair or very long hair. Of course, I have what they call fine hair. It do get long, but you know, when we're very much younger, we do all these crazy styles that breaks them all, and again, aging also affects how you lose your hair. So this product was sent to me, one of their newest products, which is the ginger oil and the argan oil. I've been using them for a while now, and I can tell you, I will attest to it, that they're really working magically for me. I believe it's going to take consistency. The more you use it, the more you're going to see the results. I am going to insert the pictures of how long I've been using them, the before and after, including the month that I started and when I'm still using them. But I actually did the picture at the end of May, just to let you guys see how far my edges have grown. I've lost most of my edges due to braiding and cornrow, all those tights, beautiful African hairstyle. Yeah, I can't fault it because they look beautiful. So I've done a lot of them in the past and they damages my hair, but whatever the case may be, I'm trying to rectify it now. So I'm introducing this oil to you all. You might want to check them out. In fact, I'm recommending that you check them out because they are really working. The ginger oil and also the argan oil, you can pick whichever one, or you can purchase the two and see which one is working for you, then you will stick to that one. I really like them. They're very effective and they are very affordable. I will leave all the information about this company, AMSORD. I will leave it in the description box. You can buy their product from Amazon UK, also Amazon and US. Also, you can shop through Shopify. Every information about this brand, I'll put it in the description box. I will recommend and encourage you guys, ladies, to please check them out. Introduce another product apart from the oil. They introduced this shea butter. It's for skin and hair care, which means you can also use it with you can use it to moisturize your skin. Also, you can use it on your hair. I would recommend you check them out. Don't forget, AMSORD, they are into full seasoning. They have hair product, they have hair oils to grow your hair, to moisturize your hair at the same time. All right, ladies, without further ado, we're going to jump into the styling. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section about this video. First outfit I paired with the palazzo pants. That pant is by Shein. I've had it in my wardrobe for a while. The only new thing I'm presenting in this video is the vest that I just purchased. I think the vest is from Express. When I went shopping recently, I bought the vest, waistcoats, and I decided to style it on my channel for you guys to see how I'm going to be pairing it. The second one, I just put in a bodysuit, one piece, of course, and I put on the vest on top of it with a fitted pants, not too tight, not too loose. It's just very comfortable. And I paired with a white shoe. And I have other accessories I want to pair with it. This is how this second look it's looking. It's giving as well. I wanna be the one who you believe in your heart is sent from heaven. There's a piece of me who lives in the go because it's sent from heaven. I wanna be the one who you believe in. And here is the third styling. I think this is kind of my favorite so far. with the skirts. You can actually try this waistcoat with I've tried it with the pants, palazzo pants, straight pants, and now I'm trying with the skirts, and I still have other way that I want to style it. This is very versatile. You can use it in so many ways. This is my favorite so far, so I'm going to go ahead and pair with the shoes and purse, and let's see how it's going to turn out. But this is my favorite so far. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section.
Be the one who you believe in, your heart is sent from heaven. There's a piece of me who lives in the gold because it's sent from heaven. I wanna be the one who you believe in, your heart is sent from heaven. There's a piece of me who lives in the gold because it's sent from. She got her own thing, that's why he loves her. Miss Independent, won't you come and spend a little time? She got her own thing, that's why he.
So here is the fourth way I'm going to style this vest. This one I put it on top of monk jeans. It's a flare high-waisted jeans. I think this is from Fashion Nova, if I can remember. I think so. It's been a while and owned these two in my closet. I really like this one too. It feels very comfortable. I'm going to go ahead and pair it with shoes and purse, and let's see how it's going to turn out. I love this as well. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section.
Loves her, Miss Independent, all the way you shine. Miss Independent, yeah, just like a tattoo. I'll always have you, I'll always have you. Mr. DJ song on the replay. Mr. DJ want to turn the music up, or dig up on the dance floor wanting some more. Come Mr. DJ want to turn the music up, ay. Mr. DJ song on the replay. Mr. DJ want to turn the music up, or dig up on the dance floor wanting some more. Come Mr. DJ want to turn the music up, ay. It's too late and I can't wait for you to be gone, cause I know about her and I wonder how I bought all the lies. Said that you would treat me right, but you was just a waste of time. Just a waste of time. I should've kissed you, I should've.
Alright ladies, this is the fifth way I'll style this waistcoat. I'm wearing a short, but it's designed like a skirt combined with a short, so that's how it looks like that. And this is the back. I forgot the brand name of this one too. I saw it randomly in a store. I don't even remember where I purchased it from, but it's been a while too. And this is how I will rock this one. Let me go ahead and pair with my shoes and my purse, and let's see how it's gonna look.
Told you just how I feel. Next time I won't stop, I listen to my heart, cause what I feel is real. Mirror on the wall, here we are again. Through my rise and fall, you've been my only friend.
Alright ladies, this is the sixth way I'm going to style this waistcoat. I'm pairing this one with a skinny red pants. I own these two from my closet, of course. I'm going to go ahead and dress it up, and let's see how it's going to look. Don't forget to let me know which one is your favorite style in the comment section, okay?
Told me that they can't understand me, I am, so why are we here talking to each other again? Is it true that I'm not the only one? Is it true that you're just having fun with my heart? With my heart. Hello out there, can you hear me? Send SOS immediately. Hello out there, can you hear me? Send SOS immediately.
Alright ladies, this is the last way I'm going to style this vest, with a dress This is a tank dress slitted on the side. It's really nice. I like it. I like the fitting. I think I bought this from Forever 21. Yeah. And you can button up the vest if you want to. You can just leave it this way. I'm just gonna go ahead and pair it with my shoes and my purse, and let's see how it's gonna look. I like this look. What do you all think? Let me know in the comment section.
I wanna be the one who you believe in your heart is sent from heaven. There's a piece of me who lives when you go because it's sent from heaven. I wanna be the one who you believe in your heart is sent from heaven. There's a piece of me who lives when you go because it's sent from. She got her own thing, that's why he loves her. Miss Independent, would you come and spend a little time? She got her own thing, that's why he loves her. Miss Independent, all the way you shine. Miss Independent, yeah, just like a tattoo. I'll always.
Alright ladies, this is the end of this video. I styled this waistcoat in 7 ways. You can call it vest if that is your preference. I prefer to call it waistcoat. That's what I used to call it way back. Let me know which one is your favorite among this styling. Please leave your comment in the comment section. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.